out in the cafeteria cooking up a tasty lunch. Corporate chefs from the nutrition group are visiting high schools across the district cooking a fun food fusion recipe for kids at action stations. Here at May River High School, the chef is preparing one of the food service management company's signature dishes, a spaghetti bolognese grilled cheese.
So it's basically a meat sauce with spaghetti in the middle of a sandwich. And then we butter both sides, and then we grill it on the griddle out here, so the students can see it and get the excitement, the smell of the brown butter, the bread, and things like that. Kids really like to enjoy seeing these kind of things in the school cafeteria.
The students had fun watching the chef cook and couldn't wait to try the creative sandwich.
I thought that the sandwich was really good. I like the Texas toast and the spaghetti in the center of it. Really gave you that meaty and saucy flavor at the same time. The toast was nice and crunchy, and the spaghetti was nice and soft. It kind of equaled it out.
The nutrition group is excited for students to experience their first action station.
We do the action stations for the kids just to help showcase something different, something new, something exciting for the students to be able to try something different. Regardless at what age, we still like to promote nutrition, wellness, different items. Just because it may look different doesn't mean it's a bad item.
So it's a special treat for the students to have and to taste something new that is not really traditional, because this recipe is actually infusing the non-traditional with the traditional concept of it. Normally we don't put spaghetti, meat sauce, or bolognese sauce in a sandwich and grill it and make a grilled cheese out of it. So the students really enjoy it, and they give us feedbacks on how much they enjoy it and thank us for being here.
The nutrition group is planning to use different types of action stations at least once a quarter at all elementary, middle, and high schools in the district. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.